Easy, hearty, satisfying pancakes that really hit the spot and don't falsely claim to be the lightest and airiest pancakes on YouTube. No way, Souffle. These pancakes actually cook properly inside and are astonishingly simple and quick to make. I'm prepping my dry ingredients, and if you're new to my channel, there is no ASMR or calming music or anything like that here. I just can't do that. Ultimately, I suppose I enjoy having a platform for my fatuous outpourings. I should probably concentrate more on what you want from a video rather than what I want, though, to be honest. And even though I saw a video of a cat pulling a funny face the other day that got more views in 1 hour than my entire channel has in 2 years, it doesn't put me off, because I do genuinely love making YouTube videos and connecting with some of you wonderful people. And don't worry, the full recipe is in the description below for these pancakes, so you won't have to click on another website and go somewhere else to find it, where you'll be served a load more ads and be asked to sign up for newsletters or ebooks or religious cults or whatever. I don't try and squeeze every last drop out of your attention for the reasons of monetization, because I care about your experience as a viewer. And even though I saw a video of a dog riding on a chicken's back the other day, that has more views than my channel will get in the next 20 years, it doesn't make me feel like this is all a waste of time, and it is a funny video, to be fair. I mean, a dog riding on a chicken's back. So anyway, I'm adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients now, and I've done that in 2 stages, and after each half of the dry ingredients go in, I've whisked to a smooth consistency to make sure there are no lumps in there, and once it's all well mixed, we need to cover and let it sit for at least half an hour before cooking the pancakes off. And this pancake video may very well be useful to you, but I tell you what, it can't be as useful as the 13-second video of a piece of bread falling over I saw on YouTube the other day, because that video has 4.5 million views, and I would urge you to go check that video out, as it certainly changed my life significantly for the better. And if that doesn't impress you, what about the video of a waffle falling over that has 11 million views? Evidence indeed, if any were needed, that the cream of YouTube content always rises to the top. And if you hadn't realised, I'm having a light-hearted rant about the wonders of online content creation, because we're all grifters, really. YouTubers, TikTokers, Twitterers, Instagrammers. You've seen us all desperately trying to make a success of ourselves on the internet, until for most of us, the cold reality of life bites and we realise a 30-second video of someone with big jugs dancing is much more popular than anything we'll ever do. So I guess in conclusion, what I'm trying to convey in this video is that you might not always get what you want in life, but with a bit of effort and time you can always get what you want in the kitchen. And my foolproof, satisfying hearty pancakes are incontrovertible proof of that, with honeycomb pieces, link coming up, caramel sauce, link coming up, and vanilla ice cream. See you all next time, my friends, where I will be launching more of this nonsense into the void. Ta-ra.